Good morning, students. So I hope you have practiced all the three equations of motion which we did in the last lecture. Today we are going to start with the last topic of our chapter, that is uniform circular motion. First of all, let us see what is circular motion. The motion of a body moving around a fixed point in a circular path is known as circular motion. This thing we have also discussed in the earlier videos also. In the first video also, we have discussed about the circular motion. So these are the various examples of circular motion. Motion of the blades of an electric fan, motion of the moon around the earth, motion of planets around the sun, and motion of a satellite around the earth. Now what is uniform circular motion? To understand that, let's watch.
Uniform circular motion. Circular motion means when an object is moving along a circular path. Example, motion of blades of an electric fan, earth moving around the sun. Let us explain with the help of an activity. Take a string and tie a stone at one of its ends. Hold its second end in your hand and whirl so that the stone performs a circular motion. Speed of the stone should remain the same throughout the motion. So the motion of the stone is uniform circular motion. To know the direction of velocity of stone at any point, release the stone at that point and observe the direction in which it goes. If this activity is carried out 4 or 5 times at different points, you will observe that the stone traveled in different directions every time. Direction of stone is a straight line and is along the tangent to the point of release. Thus, the direction of velocity keeps changing every moment in uniform circular motion. In uniform circular motion, speed of the body remains constant, but the direction of motion is changing continuously. Therefore, we can say in a uniform motion, velocity is changing continuously. Hence, it is an accelerated motion.
From the video, it is clear that when a body moves in a circular path with constant speed, then that motion is known as uniform circular motion. Remember this thing, in uniform circular motion, the speed is uniform, the speed is constant. Now, uniform circular motion is also known as accelerated motion. When a body moves in a circular path with constant speed, direction changes at every point. You can see here, let us imagine this is an object. If it is moving in a circular path, you can see its direction is changing at every point in a circular motion. So, the body moves with changing velocity in a circular path, and whenever there is change in velocity, it means it will give rise to a new quantity which is called acceleration. So that's why uniform circular motion is known as accelerated motion, because in this motion, speed remains constant, velocity changes at every point, and because of the change in velocity with respect to time, it gives rise to acceleration. So by this we have come to an end of the chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. We have learned about 5 important quantities in this chapter, that is distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration, and most important, the 3 equations of motion. Practice as many numericals as possible from this chapter and try to solve the in-text questions and exercise.